Hello and welcome to today's video where we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to create a WordPress blog using Elementor. If you're new to WordPress or you just want to learn how to build a beautiful blog, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional blog that looks amazing and is ready to engage your audience. So let's get started. Step 1, setting up your hosting and domain. To get started, you need a reliable hosting service and a domain name. For this tutorial, we'll be using Hostinger, which is known for its affordability and reliability, which is perfect for beginners. Start by signing up for Hostinger and choosing a plan that suits your needs. We recommend Hostinger because it offers a user-friendly platform, making it perfect for beginners who have never built a website before. If you want to get started with Hostinger today, then go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. From here, just go ahead and click on Start Now to look at Hostinger's different plans. They have a premium, a business, and a cloud startup, but for most of you watching this, the premium plan is going to be more than enough. For under $3 a month, you can create 100 websites. It supports about 25,000 monthly visits. You get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress auto update, standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, and more. So go ahead and click on choose plan, and that'll bring you to the checkout page here where you can get even more savings. But first, just select the length of the term that you want. We recommend anything other than the 1 month option here. And for this example, we'll go ahead and click on the 12-month option. Now, if we scroll down here to the coupon code area and we type in my first website and hit apply, then we're going to get even more savings. So for $32.29, you can get a full year of web hosting with Hostinger by using the link down in the description along with the coupon code my first website. Hostinger also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for if some reason in the first 30 days you're not happy with Hostinger, you can go ahead and get a full refund. Don't forget to use the link down in the description as well as code my first website at checkout. Okay, so once you have signed up for your brand new Hostinger account, it's going to look something like this. Now, the first thing that I would encourage you to do is to come over here to the domain section, and this is where you can go ahead and claim your free domain, which comes included on the premium plan. So go ahead and search for a domain that fits your personal brand, your business, or whatever it is that you're creating a website for. And we recommend trying to get a .com extension. After you've gone ahead and set up your domain, you can go ahead and click over here to websites and go ahead and click on add website. And here you have a couple different options. You can choose WordPress, which is what we'll be doing for today's video, which gives you a little bit more customizability, but takes a little bit more technical know-how. And then there's also the Hostinger website builder, which we have other videos on our channel going through how to use that. So we'll go ahead and click on WordPress here. After that, it's going to ask you if you want to create or migrate a website, and we'll go ahead and click on create a website and click next. And here it's going to ask again if you want to use WordPress with AI or the Hostinger website builder. For this video, we're going to use WordPress, and then it's just going to ask you for a quick login here, and we can go ahead and click next. And then here it's going to ask you what type of website you want to build. So whether that's an online store, a blog, portfolio, business and services website, affiliate marketing site, or other. Since we're creating a blog, we'll go ahead and click on blog and click next. So now you can go ahead and choose from a pre-built website or a different theme. So if we come back here, we'll go ahead and you can select any website you want. You can also drop down the category here to search for online store, blog, business and services, portfolio, or other, and find a theme that looks good to you. So before you go ahead and select a theme or a pre-built website, you can go ahead and click preview to see if this is what you're looking for. And you can go ahead and scroll through and take a look at the website to see if this matches your style, as well as take a look at how it's going to react on different size devices, for this case a tablet or also a mobile device as well. And I think this looks pretty good for a blog website, so we'll go ahead and click use this website. And here it's going to ask any plugins that you want to add to your blog site, and it already pre-selected a couple different plugins here, which are fine, and if you want to, you can go ahead and deselect those. But what we want to do right now is go ahead and look for the Elementor plugin. Now we can do this once we're inside WordPress, but we might as well do it now. So let's go ahead and type in Elementor, and we see it right here. So we go ahead and check that box and hit next. Next, it's going to ask if you want to generate blog content with AI. And if so, all you need to do is enter your brand name and describe it in a few sentences. And the AI will generate original content tailored specifically to you, which is really cool. But we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. And then it's going to ask what domain or subdomain you would like to use if you haven't already claimed that free domain. And since we've already used our free domains, and for this example, we'll just go ahead and use the temporary domain. And now it's going to be installing WordPress, which takes just a couple of minutes before we can go ahead and start editing our brand new blog. Okay, and after a couple of minutes, we can see that the WordPress has been installed. So let's go ahead and click on the WordPress admin panel in the top right corner to hop into WordPress. Okay, so now we are inside of WordPress. We can see that the Elementor plugin is right over here, which is exactly what we wanted. So first things first, let's go ahead and just preview the website template that we went ahead and selected earlier. So here it is. I think it looks pretty good. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and edit any of these pages, we can go ahead and come here to pages, all pages, and we'll go ahead and select this home page and we'll hit edit. And then here we can either use the WordPress editor, but for this video, we're going to be using Elementor since we went ahead and installed that plugin. So if we come up here to the top, we can click on edit with Elementor, and the Elementor editor is just take a second to load. Okay, so here inside of the Elementor editor, we can go ahead and make these changes over here. So for example, if you wanted to add an image, you can go ahead and just drag and drop this over into the page here, or we come over here and we click choose image. We can go ahead and upload any image that we want here. We can go ahead and check out the media library, which came with this template, as well as search Unsplash here for some other free images. So for this, let's go ahead and we'll just put in a typewriter for our blog. This one looks pretty cool. So go ahead and click that to insert it. And that is how you can insert an image into any page using Elementor. Now, if we wanted to, we could also add something here like a button. For example, if we wanted to create this button to say something like subscribe now, and over here, we could go ahead and change some of the settings of this. So come here, change the color. Maybe we want that to be a little bit darker green, and maybe we want that to be centered. So those are just some basics on how to edit a page with Elementor. Now that we kind of have the basics down on how to edit a page using Elementor, let's go ahead and go to the blog post area. So your blog's content is crucial for attracting and retaining readers. So here's how to create your blog posts and organize them with categories. So to create categories, we're going to go to posts and then go to categories to create categories for your blog. Categories help organize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts. So you can add a few primary categories that cover the main topics that you'll be blogging about. So for example, a category might be on productivity, and we can go ahead and add some different descriptions here. So we'll go ahead and add something like this. Obviously you want to be a little bit more descriptive than that, but for this example, that is just fine. And we can go ahead and add a parent category or just call it uncategorized and hit add new category. So for writing and publishing a blog post, what you're going to want to do is we're going to again navigate to posts over here, and we're going to click on add new post to create a new blog post. And here we can just start typing out our blog post. So we can either edit in here in the WordPress block editor, or if you wanted to, you could edit with the Elementor editor as well. For this example here, we'll go ahead and just use the built-in WordPress editor, and we can go ahead and come over here to the block insert and come over here, and we can add anything that we want to make this blog pop. So whether that be button, a container, a header, or any images or videos or call to action, you can do so just by hitting that little plus sign button up there. Or if you come here to the design library, there are some different page setups that you can use, and you can search by different categories over here, as well as full pages, which might not exactly relate to a blog, but it's there if you want to use it. So over here on the right hand side, when we go to categories, this is where you can go ahead and select whether it's that productivity category that we created, or if you want to leave it uncategorized. We'll go ahead and select productivity for this since we went ahead and created that category. And we'll go ahead and just add an image in here real quick just to make this pop a little bit more. We'll go ahead and just add this little chipmunk or squirrel. And then we have different options here, like we can bump it up or bump it down if there's something below it, as well as change its alignment. So let's go ahead and align it center, and that looks good. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and come up here and we can preview this in a new tab. And as long as we're happy with this and how it looks, we can go ahead and come back here and hit publish. So from here, we can go ahead and again, look at the visibility here. There's public, private, or password protected. And then we can also schedule this here under the publish where it says publish immediately. We can either publish it right now, or we go ahead and schedule this for the future. And once everything looks good, we can go ahead and hit publish. And that is how you can publish your very first blog post. Besides your blog post, your site will need some essential pages to provide your readers with some important information. To create a new page, we're going to come here to the pages section, and we'll go ahead and hit add new page. And we'll go ahead and click on this edit with Elementor. And now we can start creating a page from scratch or using the Elementor editor. So let's go ahead and add a heading. We'll go ahead and call this about about me page. We can go ahead and come over here to the style, and we can change the color of that font to maybe like a black. And let's go ahead and center that by coming here again to style, and we'll hit center. And then let's come back here and let's add some text. And then maybe below that, we could go ahead and add an image. We'll go ahead and choose image, free images, and we'll go ahead and type in a laptop or that technology that we like. And there we go. So that was just a super basic look at the Elementor editor and how you can use it to edit your WordPress blog. Now let's talk about how to enhance your blog with different plugins. Plugins add extra functionality to your blog, making it more engaging and efficient. So one essential plugin for improving your blog's SEO is Semrush. Semrush offers a powerful keyword tool that helps you find the best keywords to boost your organic traffic. You can try Semrush for free with a 14-day free trial by clicking the link down in the description below. Be sure to explore the keyword tool and other features to see how Semrush can enhance your blog's visibility and performance. We also have other videos on our channel that dive deeper into how to use Semrush, so be sure to check those out for more details. Monitoring your blog's performance. So tracking your blog's performance helps you understand your audience and improve your content. So we have other videos on the channel that will go more in depth on how to use Google Analytics, but here's a quick start. Sign up for Google Analytics and get your tracking ID. You want to install the GA Google Analytics plugin to your WordPress site. Paste your tracking ID into the plugin settings and save your changes. Use Google Analytics to monitor your site's traffic, user behavior, and other valuable metrics. Sign up for Google Search Console and verify your site. Submit your sitemap to help Google index your site more efficiently. Use Search Console to track your search performance and fix any issues. Maintaining and updating your blog. Keeping your blog updated and secure is crucial for long-term success. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and aim for at least one new post per week. Update older posts with new information to keep them relevant. Install a backup plugin like Updraft Plus. Schedule regular backups to ensure that you can restore your site if something goes wrong. Regularly check for updates to WordPress, your theme, and any plugins that you have. Install updates promptly to keep your site secure and functioning well. Congratulations, you've successfully created a WordPress blog using Elementor. Now you can start sharing your content with the world. Now don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Also be sure to use the link down in the description along with code MyFirstWebsite to save on Hostinger. And these are affiliate links, so if you do use them, they help out the channel, and we thank you so much in advance. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.